The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now right about now viewers and subscribers, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is out on social media where it is said that a homeowner found that his house had been vandalized because he told a tenant that the tenant should leave his house or move from out of his house because the tenant had problems paying the rent or could not pay the rent. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, I do not know if the tenant had helped to vandalize or destroyed parts of the house, but however, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? This video is out on social media and it's being talked about, and I'm only telling you according to what had been said about this video on social media. Alright? So please bear that in mind. Alright? Now, I'm going to present the video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video, and please bear in mind that some of the information that I just told you about this video might not be accurate. Alright? Alright, now, the following video that I'm about to present to you might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Yeah, this video, viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Like, because I asked you to leave because you did not pay your rent. I asked you to leave my house. I wasn't evicting you. I didn't want to even put an eviction on your record. I just asked you to leave my house and you do this shit? Like, because I asked you to leave my house and you wouldn't leave,
Listen
talking about Timmy, you
now.
gonna have to take me to court.
Listen where I said this.
You do all this though? Like, I ain't never did shit to you, never. I gave your bitch ass a place to live when nobody else will give you a place to live. And you tear my shit up. Ain't no scam, bitch, cause ain't no insurance on this motherfucker. This really come out my pocket, bitch. You gotta have insurance to pull a scam, dumb bitch. Like, you did this shit to me because I asked you to pay me my money?
Really do enough viewers and subscribers, and I really do enough. And some real damage that still, you see me I say, the house really got damaged still now. Trust me, in my point of view, the damages that me I see just from this little part of the video, it don't look like a one person do all of the damage them that had been done to this house that I'm looking at in this video. But make a look and observe and listen, alright?
I work hard every motherfucking day. I go to work and stay the fuck out the way. I don't bother no motherfucking body. I didn't care if you and your nigga was in this bitch selling drugs, doing whatever the fuck you was doing. I didn't give a fuck. I told you, long as you keep my house up and pay me my rent, I wasn't gonna fuck with y'all. Ain't no landlord doing that shit. Because I know y'all gotta feed y'all family like I gotta feed mine, bitch. This what the fuck y'all do to people? I swear to God on my mama, bitch, if I see you, I'm going to prison.
The man sound hurt.
And that's on my kids.
His sound hurt, his sound hurt, his sound
I'll
hurt.
shoot you dead in your motherfucking face, bitch.
See me?
I'm mad as a motherfucker. I'd kill this bitch if I seen her. On my soul, I would.
Alright. You see the whole kill part now? You see that part there now? Me no support that part there, you see me? You see, if somebody do something wrong and say the person do something wrong to you, I better you take the matter in the hands of the law. Don't take certain things into your own hands because you're going to put yourself in a problem. You see me? Don't take certain things into your own hands. You see me? Things like this, you put it in the hands of the law. Report it to the police. Don't threaten the person. You see me? Alright.
I'm mad as fuck. My motherfucking tenants called me and asked me for $2,000 and I give it to him. Like this, I'm not that type of motherfucker. This is fucked up. This bitch bogus. Bro, I'm so motherfucking mad. I swear to God. On my mama, I'm mad, bro. If I see this bitch, I'd kill this bitch. On my soul, I would. I'd kill this bitch. I'd do anything for people. I work hard for the shit I got.
Again, me I go say this. You see the part where you hear this person that talk about the whole, you know, the man says some things that sound like violence to me. You see me? I would rather to tell each and every one to put something like this. Just put it in the hands of the law. Do not threaten anyone. Don't take certain things into your own hands. Report it to the police. You get what I say? And that are the best advice me have to say about something like this. You see? Alright. Alright. Me could look again now and hear what boy.
So I can feed my kids and leave my kids something. I could be doing any motherfucking thing out here. I go to work and take care of my motherfucking kids. I don't go out. I don't do shit. Fuck ass bitch. Man, I'm mad as fuck. This is why people be fucking people up. I swear to God. This is people fuck people up. I'm so mad. They know. Lord God, I'm so thankful I moved out of Racine, because if I could have got to this bitch while she was doing it, it'd be some flower bringing in.
You understand? So something like this
man,
make anyone
killed
upset
that
you,
bitch.
you know?
I would have beat her and her kids up. I would have killed them all. On my mama, I would have. She had them little ghetto badass
this person put himself in
running around here with a hammer, busting my shit out. Punk ass bitch.
Rough, you know? Rough.
Ooh. Whew.
Some
Lord,
major damage them there, man.
keep me. Lord, I need to calm the fuck down. But I know I gotta start getting this shit up and secure this house. I'm so motherfucking mad. Look at this bitch. Man, I mean, the bitch took a hammer to my washer and dryer. Like, I feel like everybody should live nice. Everybody should be able to live. I want my tenants to live good, so I'm putting Samsung front loaders and shit. Like, landlords don't do this type of shit, but these bitches, what? Like, cause I asked you to pay me my rent, and if you couldn't to leave, you bust out all my windows and tear shit up like this? Nikki, you a dirty bitch. You a dirty ass bitch. On the real, you a dirty bitch. On the real. All the doors, bro. Man. Look at this. I can't even stop. My dumb ass walking around in circles and shit. I'm so motherfucking mad. I'm confused my motherfucking self. Like, this shit retarded. I'm motherfucking crying. I'm mad as a bitch. I'm mad as a motherfucker. Shit. Ooh. Bro, man, I cannot believe this bitch did this though. It's cool. It ain't cool.
Anger, you know, you can hear the anger in the person's voice, yo. Like,
Hey, go downstairs in that trunk and grab some garbage bag, them heavy duty
Can't see and hear
construction
where the person
bags out the
upset,
car.
Can see and hear where this person upset. Viewers, subscribers, listen to what me have to say, you see, when it comes on to something like this, you see me? Don't take matters like this in your own hands, you see me? Viewers and subscribers, and I real though, situations like this make you see landlords out there ask so many questions when they rent them house to people, you know. You see me? Situations like this that I just saw in this video, you know. You see me? You look at the house, the amount of repairs me I look on right about now for do at that place. You see me? Me know say things like that would make anyone angry, no viewers and subscribers. Believe me, me know say things like that would make anyone angry. If you say you work so hard, you try to make a living for your family or for yourself or whatsoever or whosoever, you understand? And then at the same time, you're doing business, because when you rent a house, you know, to me it's like a business, isn't it? Yeah. So you rent a house to someone or persons, and then at the same time, because them have problem to pay you for the rent, them or the person turn around and destroy your place for something that is not your fault, isn't it? Rent is rent, and if a person rented your house, you have an agreement with the person. Yes, what I say? Now, me don't know all the whole story going on, I'm gonna tell you according to what has been said on social media, you see me? But above all, me hear this person say some things in the video, right? The person you hear talking in the background of the video, I hear where that person says some things in the video where I'm a little concerned about it, because, you know, things like this, sometimes persons intend to take things like this into their own hands. But I would like to encourage persons out there that, you know, things like this, you don't take it into your own hands, because you're only going to put yourself into trouble. The better you report it to the police and let the law deal with it. You see me I said to you? Yeah, make the law deal with it. You see me? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, again, me not dead. I don't know nothing much about the story more than what have been said about it on social media. You see me? But you see, if the things that have been said about this video, if this video actually shows of a homeowner, or shows when a homeowner found that his house had been vandalized or damaged by a tenant who could not pay the rent, and him asked the tenant to leave his house, then what had happened in this video, I don't think it is right. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. See me? Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. You know, this video is out on social media, where comments have been made about this video on social media. You know, some persons are saying that the person who is considered to be the tenant, who we don't see in the video really, you know, some persons are saying that that person is wrong. You see me? In my point of view, that person is wrong. You see me? Yeah, you know, other comments have been made about this video on social media, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.